Hello, I'm Brian Nesser from How To Automotive, and in today's video, we're going to talk all about the brand new Milwaukee Tools impact sockets. So stay tuned for that. So like I said, we're going to be talking all about their new impact socket lineup. First, I wanted to say, they have some of the most powerful impact wrenches and drivers on the market, and it only makes sense that they come out with their own impact sockets. So I think it's about time they've done that. So I'm going to briefly go over a few of the specs of the impact sockets, and then we're going to put them to work just like we do all the other tools in all the other How To Automotive review videos. So the set I have here are deep 3/8 drive impact sockets. They go from 7mm all up to 21mm, and they also come with a socket rail holder here. So as you can see, Milwaukee is very proud of the lettering and engraving here. So this is deeply stamped and inked inside here, and this is also inked around here. What I like about this particular feature is it has a little splash of color, and it's not just a black socket that gets lost in the engine bay. So there's just a little bit of color to catch your eye, so when you see it out there, oh, there's my socket. It's easy to find, so that's pretty cool. They say that this is going to last the longest out of any sockets on the market today. We'll see how that holds up in the long term, and I will report back on that after a while of usage. So we'll be doing a follow-up video on the sockets here. So they're going to be coming out with sockets that go from 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 drive, 1/2 inch drive, 3/4 inch drive, and 1 inch drive sockets. So the sockets will be available in all different sizes, so whatever you're working on, they're going to have a socket for you. Some of the other accessories that Milwaukee is going to offer is going to be adapters, so you can adapt them down from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch, or 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch, or 3/4, the step down adapters. They're also going to have universal swivel adapters that you can hook them up to that are impact rated. This particular set came with a socket holder here. This socket holder is designed to come apart, and you could swap them out and add different 1/2 inch drive, 1/4 inch drive to the socket holder. As you can see, there's holes here, so you can drill it into something and mount it onto a wall or whatever you're mounting them on. So these will be available to swap out, so you can customize your rails. As of right now, they've only announced 6-point sockets, so no 12-point sockets as of yet. Those may come in the future. They're also backed by a no-hassle lifetime warranty. So the only thing you need to do to warranty a socket out is to log on to a website that I will link in the description of the video, or call a 1-800 number that I'll also link down in the description of the video. So I decided the best way for me to put these sockets to use is to retire my old set here and make these my primary set here. So I put them on my socket rail here on my service cart, and now we're going to put them to use. One of the things I noticed right away is how easy it is to see exactly which socket it is compared to the old sets that I've had here. That white letter and that red band makes it really easy to see these sockets and pick out the right one in a hurry. So like I was saying earlier, since Milwaukee has some of the most powerful tools on the market, you need some tough sockets to go with it. You don't want to use the chrome sockets. These powerful tools will break those chrome sockets, and if it doesn't break it, you will lose a lot of torque using those thin wall chrome sockets. So when you're using these cordless tools or pneumatic tools, you definitely want to use an impact socket for these types of jobs. I prefer to use the sockets on everything that has a motor. So if it's a ratchet or an impact driver or impact gun, I use the impact sockets. In this case, I'm using the M12 ratchet here with the Shockwave sockets here to remove a water pump on a BMW. If you notice, the sockets have a tapered design. So as you can see here, I'm getting this in a tight area, and that tapered design allows the sockets to get in there but still have enough thickness and girth to pull the fasteners off or use them with pneumatic tools. So if you're a DIYer or a professional mechanic, you'll find yourself using impact sockets all day long. So I'm using them here on brake jobs here. I did them on some water pumps. Here I'm taking the brake caliper off here using impact tools. So as you can see in the next couple of clips here, there's endless amounts of usage for them. I've removed shields, I've worked under the hood, I've done some suspension work. I've really put these sockets to work in the last couple of weeks here. So I'm curious what you guys think of these sockets. Will you be adding them to your collection? So leave a comment down below. So if you need to add impact sockets to your collection, I will leave links and part numbers for them down in the description of the video. I'm Brian Nesser from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.